ఆఫీసర్స్. నేను మీ ఫిజిక్స్ రమేష్ సార్ ఫ్రమ్ రామయ్య పోలీస్ అకాడమీ హైదరాబాద్ దిల్సుఖ్నగర్. ఒక విద్యార్థి ఎస్ఐ కావాలన్నా, ఒక విద్యార్థి కానిస్టేబుల్ కావాలన్నా ఆర్థమెటిక్, రీజనింగ్, ప్యూర్ మ్యాథ్స్ ఎంత అవసరమో జనరల్ స్టడీస్లో కూడా ఉత్తీర్ణత సాధించడం అంతే అవసరం. ఇక్కడ జనరల్ స్టడీస్లో ప్రధాన పాత్ర వహించేటటువంటి సబ్జెక్టుల విషయానికి వస్తే హిస్టరీ మరియు జియోగ్రఫీ. హిస్టరీ మరియు జియోగ్రఫీలో మన రామయ్య పోలీస్ అకాడమీలో మన డైరెక్టర్ సిరికొండ లక్ష్మీనారాయణ గారు మనకు అద్భుతమైనటువంటి అధ్యాపకులను మనకు అందించడం జరిగింది. అందులో భాగంగా మనకు జియోగ్రఫీ బోధించడం కోసం మన ఆన్లైన్ స్టూడియోకి మన కోసం తన సమయాన్ని మన కోసం వెచ్చించడం కోసం, మనకు మా దిశ మార్గనిర్దేశం చేయడం కోసం మన దగ్గరికి వచ్చారు గిరి సార్, ఫేమస్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ ఇన్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ అండ్ తెలంగాణ ఇన్ టీచింగ్ జియోగ్రఫీ ఫర్ ఎస్ఐ అండ్ కానిస్టేబుల్ and also other competitive examinations. So officers, we are welcoming that famous geography faculty Sri Giri sir. Thank you sir, thank you. Manaku ఆన్లైన్ ద్వారా ఎస్ఐ కానిస్టేబుల్లకు, ఆఫ్లైన్ ద్వారా కూడా ఎస్ఐ మరియు కానిస్టేబుల్లకు తమ సేవలను అందించడం కోసం సార్ విచ్చేశారు. మీరు కూడా ఆన్లైన్లోను ఆఫ్లైన్లోను సార్ సేవలను చక్కగా వినియోగించుకొని మీ భవిష్యత్తును నిర్మించుకుంటారని ఆశిస్తున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hello friends, I am J. GIRIDHAR, Senior Geography English Medium Faculty. So I am came for teach about the Geography, essay and Constable. So now first I can go for about the Earth surface. This is one of the major geographical basic chapter. Is one of the major basic chapter. So now I can go in our solar system. Sun is the center of the solar system. In our solar system at present 8 planets are there. At present in our solar system there are 8 planets are there. So before 2006 in our solar system there are the 9 planets are there. So that last 9th planet Pluto, that planet is removed that status of the planet status from 2006. So from 2006 in our solar system has 8 planets are there, right? That name of the planets are from in 8 planets. So very nearest in our solar system, that is Mercury, second is the Venus, third is the Earth. These are the first 3 nearest planet in our solar system, right? Now you can see in our solar system there are the near third, the Earth is the third planet. So after Mercury, Venus. What about the shape of our Earth planet means? That is the spherical shape, spherical, right? Spherical means this is one more name of the spherical, geoid. Geoid means around, like a ball. This is another name of the spherical means ball shape. Is look like a ball. So in our solar system, our Earth planet, the shape of the Earth planet is the spherical shape, means like a geoid, and also another name is the ball. Right, now you can see our Earth planet is looking like a spherical shape. So generally we are seeing our Earth planet is we are seeing the 100% of the surface on the Earth planet. So total surface area of the Earth planet is the 100%. So generally we are seeing the 2 bodies on the Earth surface. Generally we are seeing the 2 bodies on Earth surface. There are one is the land body. First one is the land body, right? Second one is the water body. Second is the water body, right? Generally this land body is occupied how much percent of the total surface means 29%, right? This is the 29% of the total land body is occupied the from surface, 29% of the total surface of the earth. That remaining 71% of the total surface is occupied by the water body, right? Generally in our solar system there are the at present 8 planets are there. From 8 planets, our earth planet is the one of the planet from the sun. After the Mercury, Venus, after earth is the third planet. So what about the shape of the our earth planet means spherical shape. So spherical means is a another name geoid or also ball shape. So on earth surface we are seeing the 100% of the earth surface from this shape of the earth. So there generally we are seeing the two bodies on our earth planet. One is the land body, second is the water body. So what about the total percent of the land body is occupied means 29% of the total surface. That remaining water body is occupied the 71% of the total surface. So generally previous is given the one of the question about this in numerical number. So in constable examination one of the question is given about the land body like this. So this total land body is occupied the 29%. This percent of the land body you can write down in numerical number. So this is the given like this question. So this is the 1/4 of the more than 1/4 of the surface is occupied the land body. Now you can see. So this is the 29% means it is the more than 1/4 area is occupied. So this more than 1/4 of the this area is on the earth surface is a land body, right? That remaining 71% of the earth surface is occupied by the water body. So this is the less than 3/4 of the less than, right? Now see here this 71% of the earth surface is equal to the in numerical number 3/4 of the less than 3/4 of the area is occupied the water body. More than 1/4 of the body is occupied by the land body from that surface. So this is about the land body and water body, right? Now about that land body. Now about land body, I can go for the land body. How much percentage is there? More than 1/4 of the numerical area. So generally on earth surface, generally we are seeing the 7 largest land masses. 7 largest land masses means they are called as a continent. They are the 7 largest land masses. They are called as a 7 continents. 7 continents. You know that we are know that about that continents. They are the one of the major continents according to the area on earth surface, which is the biggest continent means Asia. According to the area, this is the one of the major continent Asia. Second is the Africa. Third one is the North America. Fourth one is the South America. Fifth one is the Antarctica. Sixth one is the Europe. Last, according to the area, smallest Australia. These are the 7 important continent on earth surface. These are you can see on the our earth planet. So this is a first biggest continent. This is biggest continent. This is the Asia. Right now see, this is the second biggest continent. This is the Africa. Third biggest America. This is the third American continent. This is the third American continent. Fourth one is the, generally this is the fourth continent. This is the South America. Right. Fifth one is the Antarctica. Sixth one is the Europe. Last one Australia. Right. Like this. These are the 7 continents on Earth's surface according to the area and number. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. Australia, Europe, Antarctica, South America, North America, Africa, Asia. Which is the fourth smallest continent means South America. Which is the fourth biggest continent also South America. Right. Now see. So these are the, according to this is the biggest, first biggest. Generally another name of the Africa which is called as a dark continent. Australia which is called as a island continent. Island continent. Why? Because of they all are the continent, they are connected with any one of the islands. But this Australian continent is connected all sides with water. That's why any one of the landmass is connected with all sides with water means that landmass is called as a island. So this Australia is connected all sides with water. That's why Australia which is called as a island continent. So now see, generally you can see this is a generally which is called as a Antarctica continent, which is called as a snow continent. Snow continent. Generally you can see this is the snow continent. Snow continent mean why? Because of which is called as a snow continent means generally if we want to go to the, this is the equator. Equator is, by equator our earth planet is divided north hemisphere, south hemisphere. So this north extreme point, this is a south extreme point. So if we want to go to the poleward from equator, gradually the temperature is reduced. So at poleward the temperature will be in minus 45 degree temperature is in minus at poleward. So in presence of the minus 45 degree temperature, there are the, that on that surface that water vapor is they converted, that moisturization is they converted into the snow. That's why at poleward is complete, that surface is complete covered with the snow field. Right now you can see this is the Antarctica continent is very near to the South Pole site, right? You can see here this Antarctica continent is very near to the South Pole. That's why this Antarctica is complete covered with the snow field, because of every day on the above of the Antarctica is getting the snow rainfall. So that's why this Antarctica which is called as a snow continent. Generally each and every continent as a, there are the peoples are living, animals, leaves and animal, trees, and also human being also is living on the remaining on 6 continent except Antarctica. So this is also is very useful for the human being. So this Antarctica also is very useful for the human being. How it is very useful for the human being means, so each and every country has a space research centers also is established on the Antarctica. On Antarctica continent, there are these so many space center research centers are established by the each and every country. So due to this, our India also, there are the 3 space research centers are established on the above the Antarctica continent. That name of the 3 space research center, our Indian space research center is a Maitri. This is the oldest space research center of the India. Second is the Gangotri. third one is the Bharati. Bharati. This is about this Bharati is given in the 2016 in in a essay examination is given the one of the question about the Bharati Research Center. So these are the three major space research center. These are belongings to the India. So like this our India, there are the so many countries have the space research center on the Antarctica. Which is the oldest research center of the India means Maitri. Second one is the Gangotri. Latest my space research center Bharati. That Bharati is given the in 2016 one of the questions. So this is the one of the important continent after the sixth remaining continents.